On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use free traffic source to make money with affiliate marketing on Digits24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free and it does not require any investment, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join Digits24. Digits24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and promote digital products on this platform. If you don't want to use Digits24, you can use ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or any affiliate network that you know. You can join and then follow these same steps so that you can be making money promoting affiliate products. In this case, I'm going to be using Digits24. So once you create your accounts and log in on Digits24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, the next step is that you are going to select a category where you can find digital products to promote. You can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. If I scroll down, you see many categories that you can click on to find a digital product that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories. As I scroll, you can see many of them. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then find a product that you can promote. If you want events and seminars, you can click on it and then promote events and seminars. If you want services, you can click on it and then promote any service that you want. You can see these are category of services that you can promote. If you want physical products, you can click on it, select any of these subcategories so that you can find a physical product to promote. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a supplement, so click on it so that you can find a supplement to promote. Once you click on it, let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is a supplement that you can promote. The good part is that most of the supplements, the commission rate is very high. You can see this one, for example, you are going to be earning $103.93 per every sale that you get. If I scroll down, there are many others that you can promote and the commission rate is equally high. As I scroll, you can see this product, you are going to be earning $123.71 per every sale that you get. There are others that you can promote. As I scroll down, you can see the next one, you are going to be earning $102.14 per every sale that you get. You can see it right here. There are many others. If you want, you can scroll down and then select the one that you want so that you can find a traffic source and then promote it. You can see many of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product, tonic greens. The reason why I'm promoting this product is that it is highly converting. When you scroll down, you can see the details. Cart conversion rate is 17%. You can see it right here. 17%. So this is one of the products that you can easily get a sale when you promote it. So now once you have selected the product, the next step is that you are going to check the sales page so that you can get some basic information about the product. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. You can see right here, they have a video that your potential customers can watch to get more information about the product before they purchase it. As a school, you can see many other details about the product. You can see the details about the product. Once you scroll down, you can see they have the product in 3 different packages. If your potential customers want to buy the product at $79 per bottle, they can do that. You can see they also have $49 per bottle and then $59 per bottle. One good thing about the landing page is that they are always giving updates about people who have purchased the product. So within some few minutes, you see a pop-up right here showing someone who has purchased the product. You can see someone has purchased the product in the United States. You can see it right here. They keep on giving updates about people who have purchased the product. This kind of information can encourage people to also make a purchase for you to earn a commission. So now once you get to know the basic information about the product, the next step is that you are going to begin promoting it. To promote it, you have to first of all get your affiliate link. You can see this is my affiliate link, so you have to also click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you are not going to see your affiliate link. You are going to see something like promote now. So once you see something like that, you can click on it and then get your affiliate link. You can see this product, for example, I have not promoted it. That is why you are seeing promote now. In your case, you're also going to see something like this. Click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Now once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to purchase it for you to earn $102.14 per every sale that you get. If you want, you can promote your affiliate link using free traffic source or the paid traffic source. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the product so that you can be earning money from home. Once you earn the money, you can then invest in paid ads so that you can be getting many people to purchase the product for you to earn money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is australianplanet.com. That is the traffic source that we are going to be using. This website is a free classified website that you can use to promote your products to people who live in Australia. Australia is one of the tier 1 countries, so you are going to be targeting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. You can see it is 100% free. You can post as many ads as you want on this platform without paying for anything. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 85.2% of the traffic is coming from Australia. You can see it right here. So if you promote your ad on this website, you are going to be getting the right people to click on it and then make a purchase for you to earn money. To post your ads on this website, what you have to do is that you have to create your accounts. To create an account, click right here, my account. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Because I have an account, that's why you are seeing something like this. Click on sign up so that you can enter your details and then get access to a free account. Once you click on sign up, enter your name, your email address, your password. Once that is done, click on register so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to use this platform to create free ads. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, post my ad, so that you can post a free ad on the platform. Once you click on it, you're going to select the category. You can see for sale, services, jobs, real estate, vehicles. Any of them that match the product that you are promoting, you can select that. In this case, we are going to select for sale. Once you click on for sale, you can see you have to upload images of the product and then your ad title. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, you are going to click on images so that you can get images of the product that you are promoting. You can see these are images that you can download and then use them on your ad. You can see a lot of different images of the product. As I scroll, you can see many of them. Any of them that you want, you can download it and then use it to promote the product. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you click on save images, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once that is done, you are going to download another image. You are going to be downloading this image right here. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once that is done, click on save so that you can download the image. Once you have downloaded the images, click right here, add photos. Once you click on it, you are going to select your images. So select both images. Once that is done, click on open so that the images can be uploaded. You can see the images are uploading. You can see these are the images. Once that is done, you are going to give a title to your ad. So to type a title that people can click on and then purchase the product for you to make money. So in this case, I'm going to type the name of the product, tonic greens. As you can see, this is my title, tonic greens, how to boost your immune system. That is my title. Once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to write a simple description about the product. If you don't know how to write, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for tonic greens reviews. Any product that you are promoting, you have to search for the same thing. Just search for the review of the product. Once you search for it, there are many reviews about the product that you can copy and then paste as your description. You can see a whole lot of different reviews about the product. In this case, I'm going to click on the first one so that I can get some text and then paste it as my description. Once you click on it, if you scroll down, you can see more details about the product. You can see these are some details about the product. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can use it as your description. If you find out that this information is not good, you can go back and then click on a different site so that you can get a review of the product. So you can see there are many others. So let me just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see another one right here. Click on it so that you can get a better review of the product. Once you click on it, you can see this is another review about the product. Just highlight and copy this as your description. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here as your description. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to enter the price. If you don't want, you can leave it like this. If you want, you can enter the price. In this case, I'm going to enter the price. So you have to come back on the store 24. Once you come back on the store 24, just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you find the price of the product. You can see right here, this is the product, and when you scroll down, you can see this is the price of the product. So you have to go back and then type this same number as your price. So the price is 167. Just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to select the right currency, so click on it and then select United States dollars because the product is in the United States dollars. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to enter your URL right here. That is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on this student form. Once you come back, you are going to highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to select the location. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select any location in Australia. So just scroll down and select any location that you want. In this case, I'm going to select New South Wales. Select that. Once you select that, you are going to select a city in that location. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see many cities that you can select. Any of them that you want, you can click on and then select it as the city that you are targeting. In this case, I'm going to select this city right here. Once you select the city, the next step is that you are going to click right here, post my ad, so that your ad can be posted. They don't need to review it. It is going to be posted automatically. There is no review. So just click on post my ad. Once you click on post my ad, you can see your ad has been published. So your ad has been published successfully on the platform. They are not going to review it. It has been automatically published on this website. If you want to view your previous ads, you can click right here, my ads. Once you click on it, you can view your ads. You can see this is my ad. If I scroll down, you can see my ads on the platform. You can see my ads. You can see them on the platform. If you want to get to know the statistics of your ad, what you have to do is that you have to click on this three dotted line, the menu. Once you click on it, you can get the statistics of your ad. For example, I'm going to click on this one right here for you to see. As you can see, I posted this ad today and you can see the statistics. I got 437 visits today. So this website is working. If you post your ads, you will get people who will view it, and some of them are going to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method.